Advantage of Arcastillo is infrastructure. Since its main road, it's likely well maintained with proper infrastructure such as street lights, sidewalk, and road sign, ensuring safety for pedestrian and driver. Commercial opportunities. The road may host a variety of businesses including shop, restaurant, and office, providing resident and visitor with commercial option. Disadvantage of Arcastillo is traffic congestion. As a major road, Arcastillo Road may experience heavy traffic during peak hour, loading to delay for commuters and motorists. Noise population area adjacent to busy road can experience increased noise population from vehicle traffic, which may affect the quality of life for residents living near.